Alright, we're going to be adding integers, specifically positive and negative integers. If you don't know, integers are just whole numbers, so not decimals or fractions, that can be positive or negative. So no decimals, no fractions, but we will see some negatives. Now, there is a song that goes along with this, so if you wanted to look it up, it's called Same Sign Add and Keep Integers Song. We're playing it in class. But it'll get stuck in your head, so it's a good way to remember the rules. So when you're adding positive and negative integers, we have these specific rules that we're going to follow. Oops, sorry. Okay, so these rules, I put asterisks by them. They're right here. So if your numbers have the same sign, you will add the numbers and keep the sign. So for example, if we look at this number 1, they are both negative, so they have the same sign. So I'm going to add them. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we keep the sign. So since the numbers were negative, my answer will be negative. So negative 6 is my answer. For number 5, both numbers are negative, so they have the same sign. So I'm going to add them. 5 plus 7 is 12. They're both negative, so my answer is negative 12. For number 3, again, same sign, both negative, so add them to get 11. And they're both negative, so the answer is negative 11. Now, sometimes you will have different signs. So again, I put this in asterisk right here. If you have different signs, you will actually subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the higher number. So here, one's a negative, one's a positive, so they have different signs. So we will actually subtract the two numbers. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And then I look back at the problem and I need to see which one had, or which one was the bigger number. 9 is bigger, 9 was positive, so my answer will be positive. For number 2, I have 8 plus negative 15, so they're different signs. 8 is positive, 15 is negative. Since they're different, we'll subtract them. 15 minus 8, which is 7. Then I need to look back and see which number is bigger, 8 or 15. 15 is bigger, it was negative, so my answer will be a negative 7. For number 3, we have a positive 10 and a negative 9. Again, different signs, so we subtract to get 1. And the bigger number was 10. 10 was positive, so my answer is positive. Okay, these last 3 problems, they're going to combine the 2 that we just did, so it'll be a mixture of same signs and different signs. So when we do this, I just want you to go left to right. So start with negative 8 plus negative 4. Negative 8 plus negative 4, those are same sign you add. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Keep the sign, so that's negative 12. And then I'm going to bring down this plus 8 that was over here. So I have negative 12 plus 8. Those are different signs. Different signs subtract. So 12 minus 8 is 4. The bigger number was negative, so my answer is negative 4. So for that one, take it step by step. Think carefully about your rules. I know I went through that one kind of quickly, so if you needed to pause it, go over it again, please do that. Number 2, 6 plus negative 3. So we have a positive 6 and a negative 3. Those are different signs. Different signs subtract. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And then keep the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number was 6, so it's a positive 3. Now I'm going to bring down the rest of my problem. And I'm going to combine these two. So 3 plus negative 9. We have different signs again, so I subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. The bigger number is 9. It was negative, so it's a negative 6. Bring down your plus 2. Negative 6 plus 2, those are different signs again, so subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. The bigger number is 6. 6 was negative, so the answer is negative. Okay, last one. Negative 7 plus 4, those are different signs, so subtract. Bigger number 7. 7 was negative, so it's a negative 3. Bring down your negative 10. Now, these are same sign, so same sign we add. 3 plus 10 is 13, and then keep the sign, so negative 13. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, feel free to email me, but again, just carefully think about your rules. Think same sign, add, different sign, subtract.